mean? There's no like drop, or I guess you would just do that. That's really weird. And then minimal, oh my God, minimal. I wasn't expecting. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the IPSY Plus. This is a monthly beauty / makeup subscription box. This is for the month of July. And then we're going to be unboxing the box by FASHIONSTA. This is another $25 a month beauty / makeup subscription box. And this is also for the month of July. So I figured since both boxes came in, let's do kind of like the battle of the boxes for the $25 a month subscriptions. So if you're interested to see what I got in the month of July in both boxes, what do I think about them, and are they worth it, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is Sunday, July 19th, when I am filming it, so hopefully I can get it up tonight, but today is my son's 16th birthday. I can't believe my youngest child is 16. My oldest will be 25 in November, so me and my husband have 5 kids we're raising together from 25, almost 25 to 16. I can't believe it, like I feel so old. Anywho, let's just get started. So let's go with the IPSY Plus. So like I said before, this is $25 a month. IPSY does have 3 different subscriptions. They have the IPSY bag, which is $12 a month. I already did that video. I will leave that down below if you want to check that out. I do like an IPSY versus IPSY. Then they have the IPSY Plus, which is $25 a month. And then they have the big boy, which is $50 a month, and that is the IPSY Ultimate. I am still waiting for that to come, so hopefully that'll come any day now. So let's see. I've been getting this since, God, I think the first month that it actually came out. And I really do like the IPSY Pluses. Okay, so when you open it up, it says Discover Yourself. And that's a little sneak peek. Not too much, just a little tease. Okay, so for the month of July, the theme is Take a Break. And when you open it up, it just has whatever it has. So I'm going to go into my IPSY account. That way I can tell you a little bit about each item that's in here because they don't put the information on the card anymore. Okay, so let's start with the bag. So IPSY does each subscription, you get a bag. But the thing that I don't like is these are like the sizes of the regular IPSY Plus, like the $12 bag. Now, it's a different style. Do I have the IPSY? No, I think I put it away. It is definitely a different style, but I wish that, like, because you pay a little bit more, you get like a little bit, like a bigger bag, if that makes sense. So anyway, that's what it looks like. I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite one. I do love the purple and blue together. Then you have a little airplane. This is kind of like plasticky or vinyl, so like if anything spills, you can wipe it right off. I do like that. But, so there we go. It's a bag. All right, so the first thing that I see is this Color Boss. This is from Maquillage, and I believe this is the item that I picked. If you don't know, IPSY does allow you to choose 1 item per subscription, and I do like that. And how do you open this thing? It's taped in. Okay, let's see. Let's cut that open. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look. So that's the packaging, and then you just slide that out. And this is in the shade 959. It says Newsflash Color Boss. Open it up. It has like magnetic. It's a very heavy packaging. It's really, really pretty. And it's a shimmer shade. It's like a bronzy color. So let's do a little swatch. Oh, it feels okay. It's like a regular like bronze, you know, color. Okay, so let's see how much that costs for 1 eyeshadow. Holy cow. This is saying it's full size and it's $29. So I looked on here. This is not what I picked. There's another item I'll show you next what I picked. The only thing like I don't like, I know it's worth $29. I would never, me personally, pay 1 shade $29. Like we're talking about like Natasha Denona prices and stuff. Pat McGrath prices, you know? So I don't like like the fact that they do one eyeshadow in a $25 subscription that's supposed to be all full size. Like, I'd rather have got a palette. And, I mean, it's an okay shade. You know, I don't know how many times I would use it. If it was a lighter color, I would use it a lot more. Okay. But let me just show you what I did pick. So this is the Salmon Vagine. It's a hydroactive eye cream. Anytime I see any kind of eye creams, I'm like all over. I'm like, yes, ma'am. All right, let's see how much this puppy goes for. Not bad. This is only $27, and I don't mind that. So if I like it, you know, I can pay for it, you know, get it again. All right, anti-wrinkle and brightening. Yes, yes, and yes. All right, we love eye cream on this channel. All right, the next thing we got is from Tula. This is a probiotic skincare. This is a daily sunscreen gel broad spectrum SPF 30. And I cannot tell you enough how important it is to wear sunscreen. That's what she looks like. Back in 2015, I was diagnosed with stage 2, very early stage 2 of melanoma skin cancer. And it's right on my back, right above my bra line, my bra strap. I only had to get surgery. It wasn't far enough to where it was, you know, like I had to do any chemo or anything like that. Thank God, but it's because I didn't wear sunscreen, you know? And it doesn't matter if you are my complexion or darker. Don't think because you're darker complexion you don't need sunscreen. Because Bob Marley, the famous reggae singer, that's what he died from. Melanoma. What happened, it got on his foot, I believe it was on his toe, and it went all the way up to his brain, and he died from brain cancer, but it stemmed from melanoma. So sunscreen is very, very important. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. All right, so this is $36, and it says it's like a gel, so that means you don't need too much of, you know, so this will last you a little bit. So I'm glad to get that. All right, 2 more things. The next thing is from Nature Cartel. This is in VCR Static. This is a lip gloss. Who remembers VCRs back in the day? Oh my God. I feel old. All right, so it's just like a, you know, it's a lip gloss. And I love me some lip glosses. That's what it looks like. Just a regular clear, it's like a lip gloss. I don't even know if you'll be able to tell. Oh, let me tell you the price on that. All right, so this is saying it's $12. Not bad. And last but not least, this is the Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara. And it's in the shade black, and it's $23. And it's a mascara. I'm not going to open it to show you the wand because I already have like 4 or 5 already open, and I don't want it to go bad. But I really like this month's box. I think IPSY Plus did pretty good. So let's recap really quick what we got. So we got a mascara. We have a sunscreen. We have an eye cream. This is what I picked, and I'm glad to get that. We have a lip gloss. And we have an eyeshadow. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how many times I will use this because of the color. If it was a lighter color, I would definitely use it. And I don't know how many times I go in for like a single eyeshadow, you know? So I'm glad I get to, it's in the subscription box that I get to try it. But if I had to pick, I think my 2 favorite things are mascara. I love getting mascaras, and the eye cream. So not too bad. I mean, it's not my favorite month, but it's definitely not my worst. You know, I'm pleasantly happy with it. Okay, so let's move on to the box by FASHIONSTA. I really, really like this subscription too. This is also $25 a month. Oh, both subscriptions I do pay for. And I don't think I've seen anybody unbox this or seen spoilers or anything. So let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open her up. So you get a card, and then what I like about this, it does tell you what everything is, and it gives you prices like that. Okay, so here is a little sneak peek. Not too much. All right, let me get some of these squigglies out of the way. So the first thing that I'm seeing is from Base Blue. Now, I have tried these before, and I am not a fan of them. Not at all. They're like soft, you know, and when you wet them, they do get bigger. But what I don't like about this is it takes up all your foundation and it doesn't like kind of melt in, you know. I just don't like it, you know. It's like the foundation just, I don't know. I am not a fan of this at all. But let me know if you guys have tried it and what you guys think of it. But let's see how much that puppy is. Okay, so $8. That's not bad. The next thing is this moonshine. Whenever I hear moonshine, let me turn you down a little bit. Whenever I hear moonshine, I think of the drink. It's so funny. What is this? It says Moon Splice Beauty Super Fruit Facial Oil. Ooh, I've really been into like the fruity smells lately. And this is $25. So it's all organic, 18 botanical oil blend that is totally pure. Well, I like that. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Is it broke? That is so weird because it's like a little dropper. How would you, I don't know if it's broke or not because how would you get it off? Let's see. See what I mean? There's no like dropper. I guess you would just do that. That's really weird. I don't know if this is broke or not. Ooh, it smells good. Is there something? No, there's nothing in there. That's really weird. Like, you know what I mean? There's not like a dropper thingy. So how would you, do you see what I mean? It just, I don't know. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. But I mean, I could just shake it, you know, like on my finger. That's not bad. And it feels good. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Like pina colada kind of like. Oh, I love it. I love oils to put like underneath my eyes, especially right before I do my makeup, because so that way it's not like really dry and I don't get that cakey look. But, and especially at nighttime, and I like to put it here because I have these lines, like these frown lines as I'm aging. I'm really excited about that, and that's only $25. So if I like it, that's not too bad to, you know, get it again, purchase it. Really like that. All right, the next thing we have this Eye Bright Coffee Beam Eye Cream. Yes, anything coffee is like good for like puffiness and stuff. Let's see what this is. So this is $36. This is by Fig and Yarrow. It says ultra light organic hydrating cream formulated to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area. Its potent antioxidants and cell nurturing botanicals aid in the minimization. I cannot say that word. Oh my God, it's too funny. Of super. Okay, it's supposed to help with fine lines. All right, let's see. Let's put a little bit on. Come on, come to mama. Okay, I'll just put like very little. Oh, it's funny and it looks like coffee too. Does it smell like coffee? No. Dang it. And it's just a, you know, like an eye cream and stuff. Feels really good. Ooh, I like that. One thing I love about this subscription, they always do indie brands, which I love. And I'll tell you what, you don't sleep on indie brands because you can find some really amazing things. I am seeing some in here I will show you last that, oh my God, I'm so excited for. Already, like this is so much better than the IPSY Plus. All right, so this says Habit the Ultimate. What in the world? So this says multi-use cream. It's $28. So I guess it's something like you can use for your lips, your cheeks, something like that. Ooh, packaging is pretty. It's like a little heart. Let's see. It is in the shade Pretty Baby. Yes. Ooh, you're pretty too. So that's what it looks like. Very, very pretty. So it's a cream base. And I wasn't expecting the pigment because look at that. Look at that. Dang. She pigmented. I was not expecting that. This could be a pretty lip shade. Like I said, it could be for your cheeks. That is so pretty. And how much did I say? $28. Well, yeah, for $28, it better do something. But no, I wasn't expecting that. Love that. And last but not least, we have a palette. You usually always get a palette in this subscription, and that's what I like too for $25. So this is from the Beauty Crop. This is called Sun Gazing Palette. And how much is this puppy? $24.50. Let me cut the tape. Alright, so that's what she looks like. So it has no mirror, but that's okay with me. I don't mind. And these are really pretty. Holy cow, like look at that green. Now, I do not like having pressed glitter in eyeshadow palettes. I really don't. But that green, whoa. Okay, let's do some swatches. It only has 2 mattes in this palette. That's it. So let me do the mattes. I'm glad these are the colors they did pick for the mattes. So that's just going in one time. That's pretty good. All right, so let's do some swatches of the shimmer shades. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmer shades. They feel cool. Look at that yellow. Oh my God. I get excited with eyeshadows. I can't help it. Okay, so that's the first 4. All right, so that's the first 4. So pretty. All right, let me do the last shimmer shade. This is called Heat. Whoa, that's pretty. This reminds me, I mean, look at that compared to that $29 Il Maquillage or however you say it. I mean, the difference. This reminds me, like if you don't have the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, it kind of reminds me of the colors. All right, I'm only going to do 2 of the glitters. Oh, I didn't realize there was another shimmer shade here. Let's do that other shimmer shade. Ooh, yes. All right, so let's do, that's pretty. Okay, right there. You guys know I'm not good at swatching. So pretty. Okay, all right. I really like this palette, especially this yellow right here. Look at that shimmer shade. Like the next time I do my makeup, you will see the next video that I put up, I'm definitely going to use this palette. Okay, so let's recap everything that we got in the Fashionsta box. So we have this Beauty Crop eyeshadow palette, which is beautiful. We have this Coffee Bean eye cream. Yes. I didn't unbox this. Why didn't I open this up? I got so excited by seeing that eyeshadow palette. So this is a solid block. What is this? What should be? This is a mineral sunscreen for $26. So I'm glad that the IPSY Plus and the Fashionsta box both have a sunscreen. So it's just like, you know, you pull it up. You know, put the sunscreen on anywhere. Okay, so we have that. I'm going to put the cap back on so it doesn't dry out. All right, so we have that. So then we have the sunscreen. So let me start over. We have the palette. We have the sunscreen. We have the eye cream. We have this gorgeous pigment. Where was that at? I mean, that is just gorgeous. We have the moonshine. Love that. And we have this. This is the only thing I don't care for because I tried it before, you know, but maybe you guys will. Let me make sure that's everything. Yeah, so we got 6 things in here. I will leave the price right around here. And if I had to pick, Fashionsta all the way. For $25, guys, you cannot beat the price for Fashionsta box. They never let you down. I truly recommend them. Like I said, I will leave the link down below. I pay for both boxes, so there's no bias. I just really like it better than the IPSY Plus. I really, really do. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below, which one did you like better? Do you get both of them? What do you think? Let me know all the tea. And that's everything, guys. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then please give me a like. It really does help me out. And it only takes a second for you to give me a like. It would really help me out. Also, if you like unboxings, reviews, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn the post notification bell on and make sure that you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, try to stay cool in this hot, hot weather we're having. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I am really, really impressed. Wow.